Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, do you need laundry motivation? Well, today is your day because I have some laundry motivation for you. Let's get into it. So as you can see, this is a lot of laundry. This is about 2 weeks worth of laundry. Even though I try to do laundry every single week, sometimes with 3 kids, homeschooling, it does get a little behind. So anyways, guys, what I'm doing right now is sorting the clothes. I'm doing whites, lights, and then darks over here. But I also try to separate my clothes and my husband's clothes from the kids' clothes. And I also separate the, dishcloths and towels and bed sheets from our regular clothes. So right now I'm just sorting clothes and then gonna start washing.
Deleted, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
So guys, after adding the laundry detergent, I also like to add some fabric softener. Into that, I will put some distilled white vinegar. I'm not sure if anyone else does it like myself, but I like to do that because I feel like it leaves the clothes really, really fresh. If you have tried that before, let me know below.
Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive when I'm with you. I'm on flight mode, you move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, somebody told me I should.
Alright guys, so next I'm going to be folding the laundry. This is just the girls' clothes and some towels and bed sheets. So I have 2 baskets here, one for the older 2 girls who share a room and one for my youngest. So the reason I do 2 separate baskets is after folding the clothes, I just take the baskets to the room and fix the laundry right away. So I don't end up washing and doing laundry and not putting everything away. It just becomes a complete mess. So that's what I'm doing here.
Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me.
So we're coming towards the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you got all the laundry motivation you need this week. Let me know below if you have any plans to do laundry this week, or if you've already done laundry, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and to also subscribe and share the video with your friends and your family. Guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.
Girl, to the end, it don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I